a rich tribute to late Arun Narzary. ALAYARON The Dawn. The ALAYARON means the dawn is a landmark film in Indian cinema, recognized as the first feature film in the Bodo language. Released on 13 March, 1986 at Ganga Talkies in Kokrajhar, it holds a significant place in the cultural history of the Bodo people. Director, Jwangdao Badosa. Screenplay, written by Nilkamal Brahma and Hiramba Narzary, based on Brahma's short story MWI Are Gwildwildwi, Tears and Sweat. Cast, stars Amar Narzary and Rohila Brahma in the lead roles. Awards, it won the 33rd National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Bodo in 1986. Theme, the story explores themes of love and the transformation of an exploited man into an entrepreneur. After being considered nearly lost, the film's negatives were recovered from a production company in Mumbai and digitally restored. This restoration project was supported by the Bodoland Territorial Region, BTR, government, leading to a re-premiere in December 2023 at the Bathou Cultural Complex in Kokrajhar and a theatrical re-release in early 2024.
आखौ नों मोनहैया जाजों दागि हाया फाक्का नों जेबो दागिथार नों खालि आंनो 500 रांल' हर हाया फाक्का
फाखानाय हा हुखौ फाननानै उनाव लान्दा खान्दा जाबालाय आगै
बे हायाथ' आंनिसो
नोंथांनिसो
बिब्दिब्ला नोंथाङा
थगायजाबाय
गुनजे दा नोंथांखौबो अरबावबाय गुनजेनि खैसाराव नोंथाङा गासनबाय नोंथाङा गावनि खाफालखौ जाबाय हाखौ लामारनो नाजायोब्ला बाथ्राया गाहाम जानाय नङालै
नों आंखौ होखारामोनब्ला आं दिनै बेबायदि जानो हानाय नङामोन आंनि बान्दानि जिन्जिखौ बस'आमोनब्ला आंनि मानसि जानायनि सिमाङा जाफुंनाय नङामोन
आंखौ लाजि दाफोनांसै गोमबोर फिसा गोदोनि दायखौ सुस्रांनो थाखाय हांमा आइनि जिउनि बिबानखौ नोंनो लादो फिसा
मानि सिमां
गावबा गावनि
थेट आंलाय आंनिसो सानदोंमोन
उदां बोथोरनि बेलासि समाव सुदेम बार बारनाय गोजोनग्लायनाय समाव बिरलाङो गोसोआ नोंनि सेराव
आंनि नामाहाय नार्जारी नोंनियालाय आरो नों बबेनि
आंनि मुङा जोंदाव आं बम्बेनिफ्राय फैदों मडेल गार्लफोरनि फट' बुथुमग्रा आं नोंसिनि फट'खौ जि दाग्रा कम्पानियाव हरगोन
बिदिब्ला आंनि मोनसे फट' खेबबावदे
Okay, come on.